How can astrophysics or the cosmos, how can that help us to understand warfare and to deal with trying to avoid warfare?
So let me couch it a little differently. Yes, there is explicit science we can learn by studying the universe that can be directly applied to activities and conflicts here on Earth. But more broadly, it's a scientific worldview that informs how you ask questions, how you resolve disputes, and which is why scientists are some of the most collaborative people of any branch of what we do in civilization. You might remember a year ago or so, there was the banner headlines of the first black hole ever photographed. And you say, wow, okay. But then you unpack that and you realize there's like 1,000 scientists in 100 observatories that collaborated to obtain that photo. You say, well, how do you do that? You know, what happens if you do that in the UN? Everybody's fighting each other and throwing their shoe at each other. So there's certain ethos. When two scientists argue, we know there's an unwritten rule that either I'm right and you're right and I'm wrong, or we're both wrong. So the argument isn't to harm the other person, the argument is to explore ways to ultimately agree.